Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we connect headphone with our phone. Guys you want to connect guys your headphone with your oppo phone, so friend, how can you connect guys, and guys how can you use guys your bluetooth headphone setting in your oppo phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all guys we will on our phone setting to connect Bluetooth speaker with our phone. So once you can see this type of setting, friends click on your phone Bluetooth setting, guys on your phone Bluetooth, and guys we will on our headphone guys. So on guys your headphones and guys with refresh setting. Then we will wait here available device name. Again guys refresh. As you can see guys your headphone name, I have guys this BT company headphone. I will tap here to connect. Then guys you can this notification guys, tap here, then guys it will connect in your phone. You can see in use for calls and media playback, battery level 70%. So like that guys you can connect your headphone, and guys now you can use while operating any app, while watching movies, listening song, you can use your headphone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.